WinfoTest, simplifying Oracle test automation. Are you overwhelmed with testing new Oracle patches and updates? Is the short testing window putting your team under pressure? The reality is that manual testing consumes significant time, resources, and cost. WinfoTest is purpose-built for Oracle Cloud and eBusiness Suite applications, offering an intuitive, no-code testing experience that accelerates your test cycles and reduces risk. But it doesn't stop there. WinfoTest also automates testing for other web applications, third-party systems, and custom-built apps, giving you a single unified platform for enterprise-wide test automation. The WinfoTest dashboard delivers a clear execution summary with configurable charts and metrics. Your implementation starts with our ready-to-use test script library, covering 80 to 90% of your test needs out of the box. You can also create custom scripts easily using our AI-powered script assistant. Just enable it, log in, and walk through the application manually. When you're done, click Stop, enter the script details, and submit. Alternatively, use our Excel template to write or update scripts and upload them into WinfoTest in seconds. All scripts in your library are version controlled and upgraded every quarter. Now let's talk about test run templates. Simply with one click, add scripts from the repository, by module, process area, or user role to build your test runs. Input test data using Excel integrations, or even reuse data from previous runs. WinfoTest allows output from one script to flow into another, enabling powerful end-to-end scenario automation. Ready to test? Just hit Execute from Test Run or Scheduler page. You'll see real-time progress, exact step-by-step tracking, and detailed execution reports. These reports include both summaries and step evidence, perfect for business validation or internal IT approvals. Plus, WinfoTest is integrated with Jira and SharePoint, keeping your teams in sync. With WinfoTest, you can reduce testing time by up to 80%, lower costs, increase accuracy, and release faster, with confidence. Say goodbye to tedious testing. Say hello to WinfoTest, automated, reliable, and built for modern enterprises.